My first question is, listen carefully and then answer. In which year was Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam born? Your
In the
options are, your options are
सर ऑप्शन नहीं देना है. This round is without option.
without option.
Yes, only
Okay, okay.
questions. And
In which
first,
year was Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam born?
the year of elephants.
Okay, right answer. Good. The second question is, what is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
Makkah.
Good, very good.
very good.
Who was the first prophet of Allah?
Prophet Adam alayhi salam.
Wow,
Wonderful.
very good. Wonderful. Prophet Saleh alayhi salam was sent as a prophet to which of the nations? To which nation or which tribe? Prophet Saleh was sent as a prophet to which nation or to which tribe?
If you don't know, just pass.
Ma'am, sir, I'm not sure.
Okay. Then next question. Who is an angel among the following? Jibrail, Yusuf, Uzair, Isa. Who is
Jibrail.
an Jibrail? Good,
Correct answer.
right answer. How many articles of faith are there in Islam?
How many?
How many articles of faith are there in Islam?
6 articles of faith.
6? No. 6, no. There are 7 articles of faith. So this is wrong answer. Next question. Pillars of Islam are also called what?
Arkan al-Islam.
Arkan Islam. Right answer. Your next question is, what is the second pillar of Islam?
Prayer.
Prayer. Right answer. Who is the author of the Holy Quran?
Almighty Allah.
Almighty Allah. Right answer. Very good. Your last question is, how many chapters are there in the Holy Quran?
114.
114. Right answer. Your questions are over.
Congratulations.
So next
You have scored 80 marks. Yes, everybody clap
congratulations.
for Sayyida Khadija. Everyone, well done.
Next participant.
Yes, next participant, let us invite Asfareen Irshad. Asfareen Irshad.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yes, Asfareen.
Assalamu alaikum, Asfareen.
Walaikum assalam.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Not ma'am, sir. Should I start?
Yes.
Okay. Your first question is, in which clan of Quraysh Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born?
Bani Hashim.
Bani Hashim. Right answer.
Wonderful.
What is the name of Prophet's father?
Abdullah.
Very good. According to the Holy Quran, for how many years did Hazrat Nuh live?
950 years.
950 years. Very good. On which of On which mountain did the ark of Prophet Nuh alayhi salam come to rest?
Mount Judy.
Mount Judi, right answer. In which language was the Holy Quran revealed?
Arabic.
Arabic, right answer. What is the meaning of the word Quran?
Recit.
Answer again. There is some problem.
बार बार पढ़ी जाने वाली किताब.
What did you say first?
Recitation.
Recitation. Recitation or reading is the right answer. Okay. Which is the greatest sin? I repeat, which is the greatest sin in the sight of Allah? अल्लाह की नजर में सबसे बड़ा गुनाह क्या है जो कभी माफ नहीं होगा?
Shirk.
Repeat.
Shirk.
Shirk. Shirk is the right answer. What are the angels are made of?
Light.
Light. That is divine light. Okay, right answer.
Asfreen,
Which one?
थोड़ा जल्दी बोलिए बेटा, आप थोड़ा वक्त ले रही हैं बोलने में, ठीक है? That creates some doubts in the minds of the people. और किसी के prompting की आवाज भी आ रही है. Please stop whosoever is prompting you.
Which one is a pillar of Islam? You have 4 options. Sadaqa, Shahada, helping others, Umrah.
Shahada.
Shahada, right answer. When the Fajr prayer is offered,
At
when
down.
at dawn. Okay, right answer. Very good. Fantastic.
Well done, Asfreen. All the correct answers, and you scored 100 out of 100. Congratulations.
Thanks, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Please give a big round of applause to Asfreen, everyone. Lovely performance. And now let's call Zanul Huda.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
How are
Zainul
you?
Huda.
I'm good.
Assalamu
What about
alaikum.
you?
Walaikum assalam.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Should I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First question is, who gave the name of Muhammad to our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
His grandfather.
His grandfather. Right answer. How old was Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when his mother died?
6 years old.
6 years old. Very good. Which punishment was sent to the people of Hazrat Nuh due to their disobedience to Allah?
Flood.
Flood. Right answer. Very good. Who was the mother of Prophet Isa alayhi salam?
Maryam alayhi salam.
Hazrat Maryam. Right answer. Very good. How much is the one rewarded who recites a letter from the Holy Quran?
10.
10 times. Very good. Which surah is considered as the heart of the Holy Quran?
Surah al-Yasin.
Surah Yasin. Right answer. Which angel is appointed to provide the rain?
Mikail
Which-
alayhi salam.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you asking or giving the answer?
Mikail alayhi salam is the answer.
Mikail Islam is the right answer. Good. Zabur was revealed to which prophet of Allah?
Daud alayhi salam.
Dawud al-Islam. Right answer. When is the witr prayer offered?
After Isha prayer.
Right answer. After Isha prayer. Very good. In Juma prayer, how many fard rakat are offered?
2.
2. Right answer. Congratulations. Very good. आपने सभी
Congratulations,
सवालों के सही
Anul.
जवाब दिए
100 out of
Mashallah.
100. Congratulations. Everybody
Thanks.
clap for Zanul. A
माशाल्लाह.
big
Very good.
round of applause to Zanul. Now
Thank you.
let's invite Arif Karim. Before I go further, Fahad sir, there is some doubt in Khadija's question. We asked how many articles of faith are there. So sometimes it is mentioned 6, sometimes it is mentioned 7. So either we have two choices. I'll ask Dr. Imtiaz Sahab. So either we have to consider her answer of 6 as correct, or we have to replace the question and give her one more question. Dr. Imtiaz Khan, please you decide and then let us know, because you are presiding over this quiz.
I'm not the authority on it, but I think 6 is okay.
Okay, so fine. Then Khadija scored 90 out of 100. So 190 total score. Congratulations, Khadija. Now let's invite Arif.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Walaikum
salam. How are
assalam.
you?
I am fine.
Are you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Best of luck. Should I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your first question is, how old was Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when he went to Syria with his uncle on his first business trip?
Time over.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10-year-old.
Wrong.
Wrong answer. Question number 2. What title was given to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by the Makkans for his truthfulness?
Al-Siddiq Al-Amin.
Oh,
Partially it is correct, not fully. ठीक है, इनको 5 marks देते हैं, वो 50 marks देते हैं, 5 देते हैं, आगे चलिए.
that is As-Sadiq, not As-Siddiq. Okay, question number 3. What title was given to Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam by Allah?
Yaqub alayhi salam.
बेटा नहीं है ना, तो
याकूब
पास कर
अलैहिस्सलाम को-
दीजिए.
Ma'am, I don't know.
ओके, आप
So,
पास
ma'am,
बोल
should I
दीजिए.
answer this? Should I answer this?
नहीं, आप नहीं आंसर करें, क्योंकि वो क्वेश्चन फिर हम बाद में दूसरे बच्चों से पूछेंगे.
Okay, 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 okay. Question number 4. Name the son of Hazrat Zakaria, who was also a prophet of Allah.
I don't know.
Do you know the answer?
बेटा आरिफ, कोई बात नहीं, आप पास कर दीजिए बस, क्योंकि टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना ना, बहुत सी स्टूडेंट्स हैं और काफी लंबा प्रोग्राम हो जाएगा. तो आप बस, अगर नहीं आता आप पास कर दीजिए बेटा, कोई बात नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
पास बोल दीजिए.
Okay. Your next question is, where did the Holy Quran start to be revealed first?
Ghar-e Hira.
Okay, right answer.
Very good.
How many verses are there in Surah Al-Fatiha?
7 verses.
7 verses. Right answer. Who is a prophet of Allah? You have 4 options. You have to recognize who is a prophet of Allah. Israfil, Irshad, Ilyas, Iqbal.
Israfil alayhi salam.
Wrong answer. Next question, question number 8. What is the day of judgment? You have 4 options. Supreme Court, one of the articles of faith, one of the pillars of Islam, or it is Eid day.
One of the article of faith.
Right answer. Very good. Question number 9. Who was the first muazzin of the Prophet?
Hazrat Bilal.
Hazrat Bilal. Right answer. Last question. Which festival is celebrated at the end of Ramadan?
Eid al-Fitr.
Eid al-Fitr. Very good. Right answer. Your questions are over.
Congratulations, you scored 55 marks.
Very good.
Now next is Hafsa Shahlal. Let's invite, please give a big round of applause to Arif Khan, everybody.
Hafsa
Arif
Shahlal.
Khan.
Yes.
आरिफ खान लिखा तो आरिफ खान बोले.
Khan.
Oh,
Khan.
I'm sorry, you are not Khan. I apologize for that.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa
Alaikum
alaikum
assalam wa
assalam.
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah. Hafsa Shahlal. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck.
Thank
Your
you.
first question is, who settled the dispute of placing Hajr Aswad on its right place after rebuilding Kaaba?
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Right answer. Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Very good. Where did the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam receive his first revelation?
Cave of Hira.
Cave of Hira. Right answer. Very good. Who was the first prophet of Bani Israel?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Okay, no problem. Where was Prophet Musa born?
Egypt.
Egypt. Very good. Correct answer. Question number 5. On which mountain is the cave of Hira located? On which mountain is the cave of Hira located?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, next question. Which is the longest surah of the Holy Quran?
Surah Al-Baqarah.
Surah Al-Baqarah. Right answer. Very good. Which book was revealed to Prophet Isa alayhi salam?
Injil.
Injil. Right answer. Who are Kiraman Katibin? You have 4 options. Angels, Jinn, Prophets of Allah, or the companions?
They are the angels.
Angels. Very good. Right answer. How many days are there in the month of Ramadan? You have the options 30 or 31, 20 or 27, 29 or 30, 20 or 26. Which is the correct option?
30 and 31.
30 and 31. Wrong answer. Your last question is, the Friday prayer is not mandatory on. You have 4 options. Traveler, sick, woman, all of the above.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Yeah. The Friday prayer is not mandatory on. You have 4 options. The traveler, the sick, the women, and all of the above.
Sir, all of the above.
All of the above is the right answer. Very good.
Congratulations, Hafsa. You have scored 80 marks. Clap for Hafsa, everyone.
Mubarakbad.
Thank you so much, sir.
And now let's invite Shamsul Abedin.
Yes, ma'am.
Shamsul Abidin. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
He is the one who is always having answer for all the questions.
Okay, okay. He is very energetic also.
Yes.
Okay, Shamsul Abidin. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All the best. Should I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. The first question. How old Hazrat Khadija was at the time of her marriage with Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
40 years.
40 years. Very good. Your next question is, which one of the following surahs was revealed first to
Surah Al-
Prophet Muhammad? Okay, Surah Al-Alaq. Right answer. You answered before the question is finished. Okay. Question number 3. How many sons did Prophet Yaqub al-Islam have in all?
12.
12. Very good. Right answer. Question number 4. How many stars did Prophet Yusuf see in his wonderful dream one night?
11.
11 stars. Very good. Shabash. Question number 5. In which Arabic month the Holy Quran began to be revealed to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
Ramadan.
Ramadan. Very good. Shabash. Question number 6. How many surahs are there in the Holy Quran?
114.
114. Very good. Which holy book was revealed to Prophet Musa alayhi salam?
Torah.
Torah. Very good. Which duty has been given to Munkar Nakir?
To ask questions in the day of judgment.
In the day of judgment.
No.
No, 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 no.
Next.
Wrong answer. Next question. How many fard rakat are there in Isha prayer?
4.
4. Right answer. Very good. Last question. In which continent is Makkah situated?
Asia.
Asia. Right answer. Very good. Your questions are over. Next participant.
Congratulations. You have scored 90
Mubarakbad.
marks. Mubarakbad.
90 marks.
Give a big round of applause to Shamsul Abedin. And now let's invite Sayyida Aisha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you're trying to unmute me.
Okay, so Sayyida Aisha, I couldn't find her. Sayyida Aisha, will you please raise your hand? Okay, Sabah Ashraf. Is this Sayyida Aisha?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
You are Sayyida Aisha?
Yes.
Look at me and then
Sayyida
smile and then
Aisha.
reply. Look at me. Yes, now it's better. Yes, Fahad sir.
Assalamu alaikum. Sayyida Aisha.
Sayyida Aisha
Are
is
you
the
ready?
youngest participant and she is from Dubai.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. All the best, Sayyida Aisha. Okay, okay. Listen the question. Who among the women?
Assalamualaikum. I'm
Walaikum.
5 years old from James Founder.
Okay, okay. Listen the question and then answer. Sayyida Aisha,
What did you say?
are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, listen the question. Question number 1. Who among the women accepted Islam first?
What is the option?
There is no option. You have to answer on your own.
Khadija.
Hazrat Khadija is the right answer. Very good. Question number 2. Who accepted Islam first among the children? Pass. Okay. Question number 3. Who was the real brother of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam? You have to tell the name.
Ask little simpler question. She is just 5 years old, maybe. If you don't know, just say pass.
Okay. Next question is, where did the merchants sell Hazrat Yusuf as a slave?
Missil.
Misr. Okay, it is Egypt. You can say Misr. Next question. Right answer. Question number 5. What was the first word of the first revelation given by Hazrat Jibreel Islam to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? What was the first word?
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي أكرم.
Iqra was the first word. Right answer. Okay, okay.
Right answer.
Good. Next question. Which surah of the Holy Quran does not have Bismillah in the beginning?
Toba.
What?
Tawbah, she said.
Toba.
Tawbah. Okay, right answer. Suhuf was revealed to which prophet?
Ibrahim.
Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Shabash. Right answer. What is the Arabic word for the angel?
Malaika.
Malaika. That's right. Singular is malak, plural is malaika. Okay, right answer. Next question. Eid al-Azha is celebrated in which Islamic month?
Hajj.
Hajj is not a month.
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Your last question is running or walking fast between Safa and Marwa is called what?
What did you say?
Running or walking fast between Safa and Marwa is called what?
Sahi.
Loudly, speak loud, speak loudly. You repeat your answer.
Pass.
Pass. Okay, your questions are over. Now next participant. Congratulations. Mubarak.
Congratulations, you scored 60 marks. Congratulations. Please give a big round of applause to Sayyida Aisha with 60 marks. Now next participant is,
The
and she
youngest
is
participant got
yes,
60
she is
marks.
the
Good.
youngest participant. Next participant is Fabiha.
Fabiha.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you,
Walaikum
Fabiha?
assalam, beta. Walaikum assalam. Fabiha.
Fine,
Good.
ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your question number 1. Listen carefully and then answer. The fruit of which tree will be given to eat to the sinners in the hell?
फहद सर सबसे मुश्किल वाला आप सबसे पहले पूछ लेते हैं।
Not always.
कोई बात नहीं, अभी आप पास कर दीजिए आप।
Pass. Next question. Which angel has been given the duty of taking care of the heaven?
I know the name, but it's not coming in my mind. Just a second.
Okay, you can take few seconds.
Okay. Just a second. I'm remembering it.
Shamsul Abedin is raising his hand to answer.
Yes, he is ready.
Yes, sir. I remembered. I'm
Okay.
Rizwan.
Rizwan, right answer. Very good. Your next question is, for how many years did the Prophet preach Islam secretly?
Sir, what? Can you repeat it?
Yeah. For how many years did the Prophet ﷺ preach Islam secretly or privately?
3 years.
3 years. Right answer. Very good. The house of which companion in Mecca was the first Islamic center? The house of which companion in Mecca was the first Islamic center?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. In Egypt, who bought Prophet Yusuf al-Islam as a slave?
Sir, can you repeat the question? I have some network issues.
In Egypt, who bought Prophet Yusuf al-Islam as a slave?
Sir, pass.
Pass.
I have
Okay.
no knowledge that much. Sorry.
Next question. Allah had given Hazrat Yusuf al-Islam a special knowledge of what?
That he can know the meaning of dream.
Very good.
Dream, right. The meaning of the dreams. Very good. Excellent. Next question. Who is the first Hafiz of the Holy Quran?
First Hafiz.
First Hafiz of the Holy Quran.
Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Right answer. Very good. Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was the first Hafiz of the Holy Quran. Next question. Who is the only woman to be mentioned in the Holy Quran by her name?
Khadija.
Wrong answer. Next question. Tarawih
No,
prayer
sir,
is
sir, Maryam.
Halima ma'am, what
Sir,
to
the
do?
answer is Maryam.
No, actually, it was quite delayed. It was not immediately. And Fabiha, you are looking at somewhere also. Look at the screen at us.
No, ma'am, I'm not cheating. No, ma'am, I'm not cheating. Seriously.
Okay, you replace the question. Give another question, okay? Flip the question.
Okay. Your next question is Tarawih prayer is offered in which Arabic month?
Ramzan.
Ramadan. Very good.
Correct answer.
Your next question is how many rounds are taken around Kaaba during the Hajj?
7.
7.
Very good.
Right answer. Your next question, flip question, that was breaking iftar. I told the answer. So next question. What do we call pre-dawn meal in Ramadan? Pre-dawn meal.
Oh. Sahari.
Sahari. Suhoor. Right answer. Okay. Your questions are over. Now next participant.
Congratulations, Fabiha. US code. Masuma ma'am, will you please help me with Fabiha's score? Write in the chat box, please. What happened? Where is Masuma ma'am? Will you please tell me the score of Fabiha? Thank you very much, ma'am. So Fabiha, congratulations. You scored 70 marks
70.
out of 100.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Mubarakbad.
Fabiha. And everybody give a big round of applause to Fabiha. And now let's move to the next participant, and she is Nadia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam, Nadia. Welcome.
Thank you,
Are you
sir.
ready?
Yes.
All the best. Your first
Jazakallah khair.
question is, when do we celebrate Eidul Adha?
Zilhijjah.
In the month of Zilhijjah. Right answer. Okay. Next question. How many Sunnah Rakat are offered in Fajr prayer?
2.
2. Right answer. Who is appointed to take our soul from the body?
Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam.
Wrong answer. Next question. Question number 4. Which book is preserved in its original form? Which revealed book?
Quran.
The Holy Quran. Right answer. Very good. What position did the king of Egypt give to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Which festival is celebrated in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail alayhi salam?
Eid al-Azha.
Eid al-Azha. Right answer. Very good. Where did the Prophet of Allah allow the companions to migrate for the first time? Where did the Prophet of Allah allow the companions to migrate for the first time?
Pass. I don't know.
Pass. Okay. Next question. You have 4 options. You have to recognize who is the uncle of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Abu Jahl, Abu Lahab, Abu Hisham, Abu Talha. Who is the uncle of Prophet
Abu
Muhammad
Lahab.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? Abu Lahab. Right answer. Very good. Next question. The first 5 verses revealed to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam belong to which surah?
Can you repeat the question?
The first 5 verses revealed to the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam belong to which surah of the Holy Quran? Did you understand the question? कुरान की पहली 5 आयतें जो प्यारे नबी पर नाजिल हुई वो किस सूरे की हैं?
Please, Nadia, pass if you don't know, because you know we have, and don't unmute yourself again and again.
Ikra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq.
You have to tell the name of the surah.
Ikra.
Wrong answer.
Wrong hai. Last question. Who is the only companion mentioned in the Holy Quran by his name?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Your questions are over. Next participant.
Congratulations, you scored 50 marks out of 100. Congratulations. Please give a big round of applause to Nadia.
Congratulations.
She has scored 50 marks.
Participant number 10. Who is that?
Myra Adil. Please welcome Myra Adil.
Myra, welcome.
Please unmute yourself, Myra.
Assalamu alaikum, Myra.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start. Your first question is, in which night of Ramadan the Holy Quran started to be revealed?
किस रात में होली कुरान उतरा था?
प्लीज और लोग ना बोलें, सिर्फ कैंडिडेट को बोलने दें प्लीज। किस आप उर्दू में पूछिए।
रमजान की किस रात को कुरान नाजिल होना शुरू हुआ?
I don't know.
Okay. Your next question is, you have 4 options. You have to tell. The fasting is obligatory on children, the sick, the traveler, or adult and healthy Muslim.
Adult and healthy Muslim.
Shabash. Right answer. Very good. Torah was revealed in which language?
Sir, can you repeat this question?
Torah, a revealed book. It was revealed to Prophet Musa alayhi salam. You have to tell in which language it was revealed.
Arabic.
No, wrong answer. Your next question is, what was the most important job of the angels?
Sir, can you repeat this question?
What was the most important job of the angels? फरिश्तों का सबसे बड़ा काम क्या है? ये बताना है आपको.
Please, no, don't talk, don't discuss with anyone. Not permitted.
Pass.
Okay. Your next question is, who was the father of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam?
Sir, I don't know.
Oh, okay, okay. Your next question is, where was Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam born? In which country? You can answer.
बेटा ये सारे क्वेश्चंस तो आपको रिवीजन में दिए गए थे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपको आते होंगे.
If you can answer, then answer please, beta.
Egypt.
No, no. Wrong answer. Okay. Which uncle of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam accepted Islam? You have 4 options. Abu Talib, Abu Lahab, Hamza, Zubair. Who accepted Islam?
Abu Talib.
Oh.
No, wrong answer. Your next question is, for how many years did the Prophet preach Islam privately?
Sir, can you repeat this question?
For how many years did the Prophet preach Islam privately? प्यारे नबी ने कितने साल तक छुप छुप कर इस्लाम फैलाया?
5 years.
Wrong answer. Your next question is, what is the purpose of the Holy Quran? बोलो बोलो, स्पीक.
आप ना जवाब
ठीक।
दें मायरा की मम्मा, प्लीज बच्चे को जवाब देने दें.
हाँ बोलो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. यू स्पीक. शाबाश, बोलो बोलो.
Can you repeat this question in Urdu?
हाँ, कुरान अल्लाह ताला ने क्यों भेजा? व्हाट इज द पर्पस? क्या मकसद है उसके पीछे? किस लिए भेजा कुरान अल्लाह ने? You speak in Urdu? पढ़ने के लिए? नहीं नहीं.
Sorry.
Your last question is, which surah has the name of Allah in every verse? कुरान की किस सूरे में अल्लाह का नाम हर आयत में मौजूद है? Do you know the answer?
Surah Fatiha.
सूरह फातिहा याद है आपको बेटा?
Yes, sir.
अभी इस प्रोग्राम के बाद आप उसको पढ़िएगा और देखिएगा कि हर आयत में क्या अल्लाह का नाम है उसमें. रॉन्ग
Yes, sir.
आंसर है ये.
Okay.
क्वेश्चंस खत्म हो गए आपके.
Yes, Myra, you
Next.
scored 10 marks. And please motivate Myra, everyone. And let's move to Zainab Aqil.
जैनब अकील. वालेकुम अस्सलाम जैनब, कैसी हैं आप?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Very good. I am also fine. Thank you very much. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best. Should I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which prophet is known as Khalilullah? Which prophet? Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Right answer. Very good. Who was the first child of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam?
Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam.
Hazrat Ismail salam. Right answer. Very good. Which year in the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is known as the year of sorrow?
Sir, can you repeat this question?
Yes, I will repeat. Which year in the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is known as the year of sorrow? प्यारे नबी की जिंदगी में कौन सा साल दुखों का साल कहा जाता है? Which year? You have to tell the year.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. For how many days did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr stay in the cave of Thawr during his migration to Medina?
Sir, can you repeat this question in Urdu?
Yes, I will repeat. For how many days did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr stay in the cave of Thawr during his migration to Medina?
3.
3 days. Right answer. Very good. Next question. How long did the Prophet ﷺ receive the revelation of the Holy Quran in Medina?
10.
10 what? 10 days, 10 years, 10 months? What?
10 years.
10 years. Right answer. How many surahs were revealed in Makkah?
Sir, can you repeat this question in Urdu?
How many surahs
उर्दू
were
में
revealed
उर्दू में कह रही हैं,
in
उर्दू में
Makkah?
बोलो, उर्दू में.
मक्का में कितनी सूरतें नाजिल हुई?
Pass.
पास या आंसर दे रही हैं आप?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Next question. How many pillars of Islam are there?
5 pillars of
5. Right answer. 5. Okay. Next question. Which is the first pillar of Islam?
belief.
Repeat your answer.
Belief.
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 Okay. That is Shahada. Right answer. Okay. Next question. Zabur was revealed to which prophet?
Musa alayhi salam.
Zabur, no. Wrong answer. Last question. How many prophets have been sent by Allah approximately?
Sir, can you repeat this question in Urdu?
अल्लाह ताला ने कुल मिलाकर तकरीबन कितने नबियों को भेजा?
सर 1,24,000 से भी ऊपर.
तकरीबन right answer. 1,24,000 prophets approximately. Okay, right answer. Your time is over. Questions are also over. Now next participant. What is the score?
Congratulations, you scored 70
Zainab.
marks.
70 marks. Congratulations,
Yes,
Zainab.
please give applause to Zainab. And now
Zainab
next and
Aqil.
last participant of the primary group is Aman Azhar. And one announcement, after Aman Azhar, we will take 5 minutes break for Maghrib prayer because it's already time here in Delhi for the Maghrib prayer. And then we'll be back after 10 minutes. So Aman Azhar, kindly join us. And let me announce that Aman Azhar was leaving the meeting. He was saying
Oh,
कि मेरा टर्न नहीं आ रहा है, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
oh,
मैम I am here.
oh, Uman Azhar. Uman or Aman?
Uman.
Oman Azhar.
Uman Azhar. Okay, he's there. Good.
Already
Welcome,
Oman has
Oman.
got 80 marks in the written. Already you have 80 marks in the written part.
MashaAllah. So, are you ready, Uman?
Yes sir.
Should I start?
Yes sir.
Okay. Your first question is, which is the last surah of the Holy Quran in its existing form?
Sir, Surah Nas.
Surah Nas. Right answer. Very good. How many surahs were revealed in Medina?
So I think so. Sir, pass.
Pass. Okay. Your next question is, for how many days did the Prophet and Hazrat Abu Bakr stay in the cave of Thor during his migration to Medina?
Sir, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. Your next question. Who was the greatest enemy of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and his name is mentioned in the Quran?
Sir, pass.
Pass. Okay. Question number 5. Who was the first woman to be killed in the way of Allah?
Sir, Sumayya radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu.
Hazrat Sumayya, right answer, very good. Who was the mother of Prophet Ishaq alayhi salam?
Sir, Ishaq alayhi salam. Sir, Sarah.
Hazrat Sarah, very good, shabash. Which is the first article of faith?
Sir, Allah.
Belief in Allah, right answer. Good. How many years did the Holy Quran take to be completed?
Sir, 23 years.
23 years, right answer, very good. When zakah was made obligatory?
Mm. Sir,
In
please
which
ask
year
question in Urdu.
zakat कब फर्ज की गई? किस साल?
Sir, Ramadan.
साल बताना बेटा, साल.
Sir. Sir, 1987. Sir, pass.
Pass. Okay. Last question. When the Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr around the world, you have to tell the date, Arabic month.
Sir, Shawwal.
Which date?
Sir, after Ramadan.
बेटा डेट 1
After
2 3
Ramadan.
4 होता है ना, उसमें से बताइए.
Which date?
Sir, date. Sir, 1.
1. Right answer. First Shawwal is the right answer. Okay. It is over. What is the score of Oman Azhar?
Last was wrong or right?
Right.
Sir.
Oman has scored 60. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please give a big round of applause to Oman, everyone. And thank you very much.